Dreaming of a new life in Canada? Well, 2025 might just be your year. Canada is rolling out exciting new immigration pathways, and we're here to give you the scoop in just 90 seconds. First up, the Enhanced Caregiver Pilot Programs. If you're a home care worker, listen up. This program offers a direct route to permanent residency. It's time your caring hands were rewarded with a permanent home. Next, we have the Rural Community Immigration Pilot. Small town charm with big opportunities. This program aims to address labor shortages in rural areas. If you're ready to trade city lights for starry nights, this could be your ticket to a new life. Parlez-vous français? The Francophone Community Immigration Pilot is perfect for French speakers looking to settle outside Quebec. Canada's looking to boost its Francophone communities, and you could be part of this cultural mosaic. Lastly, there's Manitoba's West Central Immigration Initiative. This pilot program is tackling labor shortages in Manitoba's rural West Central region. If you've got the skills, they've got the opportunities. These new pathways are set to open doors for thousands of newcomers, enriching communities and boosting Canada's economy. So, whether you're a caregiver, a French speaker, or someone looking for a fresh start in rural Canada, 2025 could be the year your Canadian dream comes true.